Pros and cons of the AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge 150 PSI 4, a comprehensive review. It is easy to use. You just need to press the power button and attach the nozzle to the valve stem. The pressure reading will show up instantly and automatically shut off after 30 seconds. It is accurate. It has a resolution of 0.5 psi and a range of 0 to 150 psi. It is calibrated to ANSI 40.1 grade B, plus or minus 2% standards. It is ergonomic. It has a non-slip texture and a comfortable shape that fits well in your hand. It is battery dependent. It requires two LR44 batteries to operate, which may run out or leak over time. Some customers reported difficulty in replacing the batteries or finding the right size. It is easily misaligned. It has a straight nozzle that may not form a good seal with some valve stems, especially those that are angled or recessed. This may cause air leakage or inaccurate readings. It is not as accurate as some. Some customers found discrepancies between this gauge and other gauges or tire inflators. Some also noticed variations in readings depending on how hard they pressed the nozzle.